Do you want to speak English confidently and effortlessly, but don't know where I should start? Don't know how I should learn at once in the beginning day? If you don't know, then I'm going to share with you each and everything how you can speak English and how you can start English journey. So friends, in this video, I will cover how you can start English learning journey. If you are a completely beginner, then I'm making this video only and only for you, and after watching this video, you will realize and you will know what I should do for improve my English language. So first of all, I want to welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Learnify today, and in this video I will share with you how you can start English journey. So if you are completely beginner, then I highly recommend you please watch this video till the end. So first of all, what you should do for start your English learning journey? You must have to learn at once English words, easy English words. And many people, they are learning thousands of words at once. But I would recommend you, don't learn thousands of words at once, like hundreds of words or 50 words at once. Don't learn, because when you learn a lot of words at once, you will easy forget them. You will easy, you know forget that words whatever you learn. So I would say, stop learning a lot of words at once. Focus on simple and some important words at once. You must have to learn some words that you can use easily, and you can make sentences easily, or you will remember also. So you must have to learn only 5 words or 10 words. That is enough for a day. You should focus on to learn some words, not a lot. Okay? And the second thing is, which is I want to share with you, you should learn English grammar. If you learn English grammar, then you will be able to make sentences. You will be understand while watching any video, while watching web series, movie, even any podcast or conversation. While reading books, you will also understand if you know tenses. So in the beginning, you must have to focus on learning English grammar. Not a lot, only tenses at once. Because in early stage, if you learn all the grammar, like grammar, a part of speech, or I would say pronunciation, or a lot of things they have to learn. If you focus on to all these, you will be forget. You will forget easily. So I would say stop. Just focus on to 3 things, like grammar, which is past tense, future tense, or present tense. Okay, you must have to focus on these tenses in your beginning day. Then you should make some sentences, make some examples, and use it also. While speaking, you must have to use it. And the next thing is, which is I like also, and I want to share with also, make some examples, make some your own sentences, like what I'm doing, what I'm going to do, and this is my work, that is your work, and I'm doing this work, I'm doing that work, or I have to go market, I have to learn, like your daily activity, your daily routine. You have to make some own sentences about yourself, about activity, about hobbies, or like, dislike, travel. These types of sentences you have to make your own. Okay, and at once, in the beginning, it will be difficult for you, it will be challenging for it will maybe it will difficult for you, but don't be nervous, don't be disappointed, and don't be disheartened, because it's a human tendency. Whatever you learn, if you forget, if you get stuck, if you fumble, So that is the proof that you are learning. You are on the pipeline. Okay, so don't be disheartened if you are forgetting words, if you are making mistakes while making your own sentences. It is a human nature. And I would say if you are making mistakes, then you are on the way. So you should learn it by making your own sentences. And the third or fourth one is, I would like to share with you, read books. Yes guys, read books. If you follow these, whatever I share with you, then you can continue your English journey also, and you will also start your English learning journey. So read according to your interest, and I would request you, if you are completely beginner, so don't learn difficult articles, difficult books. Learn easy books that you can understand, or listen. And listen, you must have to listen conversational videos at once. If you like it animation, then you should watch animation, like animated videos. Okay, but if you want to speak, like understand, then you have to watch easy content, because easy content, when you listen, you will relate or you will understand without any efforts. So you must have to watch it and listen. And the last one is, which is the very most point of view of learning, which is the most in order to speak English, which is speaking practice. You know guys, whatever you learned in a day, at night you must have to speak it. Speak aloud. Yeah, speak aloud. And how you can speak it? You can speak with yourself, you can speak with your friends, you can speak with camera. But in my case, I'm using my camera, or sometimes I use my mirror. I use only two methods for speaking practice. And in this way, I'm practicing English each and every day. Sometimes I break my consistency, but I try to maintain each and every day. So you must have to speaking practice each and every day, only for 5 minutes. In the beginning, 5 minutes it is enough for speaking, but you must have to repeat, revise same thing many times. Okay, like activities, if you explain activities, then you should explain it many times, introduce yourself many times, or try to enhance some vocabulary, some pronunciation also. Or pronunciation is the most point, because if you are speaking wrong or speaking any wrong pronunciation, you are not considering you are speaking a good English. Okay, so pronunciation also is the most important thing. If you are speaking, then you will be speak English confidently, and these all the things you have to follow it. So this way you can start your English learning journey. And I would say you should at least start, if you want to speak English language, you should start today onwards. because कल कभी नहीं आता है ना, क्योंकि कल कभी नहीं आता, हमें जो कुछ भी करना है वो हमें आज ही करना चाहिए या आज करना है. सो माई लाइन इज़, tomorrow never comes. Whatever you want to do it today. So I hope you got this video helpful for you. If you, then please like, share and subscribe, and I will meet in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.